Otom said I gave 25 vehicles. It's not correct. I want to disprove him. When we came out to run for presidency, we were prepared. We were prepared. We thought we were won. So we didn't want to do the way this one they are doing now. We were prepared. But since they denied us, we saw all those vehicles, send it to those people that supported us. That's what we did. It's not as if I bought, no. Our team, these governors and other people we had, put themselves together and say, look, we cannot say we want to run for governor, but for presidency. We must show we are serious. If you watch that day, we took over everywhere. Is it not correct? All those vehicles you are seeing that day was our vehicle. So we say, listen, what are we going to do with it? We will give to taxi bus drivers, send it to the states that gave us enormous support. And also, what I'm saying, I gave people is not correct. It is the vehicles that our team at that time. But because we thought that the election would have won it. But to God be the whatever is the will of God, I thought you can do. It's okay, no problem. We'll see here. Give the vehicles out. Let them use to support all of you. Because all of you were those who pioneered everything that we teach. So Dr. Otom wanted to praise me. No, you shouldn't praise me. I didn't. All of us were the ones who did everything. So don't come and push it to me now. They come and hold me. That's why every day they say wicked. You too, I'm not gonna make them fight on her. Make them not die. You know, every day wicked. You know, it's not me. So all of them were part of it. But they don't want to die. They want only me to die. Only me will not die. You know. So, but see, you know, I will tell you, it's not good to let the cat out of the bag. We'll meet tomorrow, isn't it? We'll meet tomorrow. And you hear what Integrity Group will tell you. So it's not good for me to say it now. Because we will say what we want to say tomorrow. So let us leave it. If we say now, you will come tomorrow. It's not true. So I want you to be hungry. I want you to come. You know, this is the only place you have life. These people, we have life. There are people dead. Nothing. Abamoro, I was in the same school with you. It was not true. We are council chairman. It was not true. You're a senator. I'm a governor. You don't give this people. Let one people not chop alone. That's why people say, Yendeba. No, be so? Don't chop alone. That's why when they sang here, agreement is what? Agreement. I told Suswan. I was pointing. Agreement is what? Agreement.